Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Yo, hi, no, bathi uVelephi une guardian angel, right? Avela ubhuti wakhe basathi bamenza izinto ezingamelanga zenziwe. I am protected, then kube mnandi nje kube right, ne? Now, the only thing is ukuthi njengoba abuyile, ne? Usangweni uyohlalaphi? Uyohlalaphi usangweni? Kwenzakalani ngaye and stuff, you know. So yeah, sizobona ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani, uzohlalaphi. Hayi alright sharp. Sengibapha umoya ngithi uhlalaphi. Ntshontshe usangweni. Ode imili strong gabi eshop umamela ibhadala adle phansi usangweni. Sangweni makafika kubaba wakhe sekumuntu neBhayibheli. Yeah, ubaba uvuma sekajabulile nele guilt naye iyenza ukuthi angaboni ama red flags ukuthi how all of a sudden unasomzalwane osindiswe nje osangasakwazi next lezi ezenziwa usibongile sezenziwa uwe. Okay fine chap, that's not a problem. Hayi abe umzalwane babize lo bathi baqela ukuthi abagadele umntwana. The sister umntana kaSamke. Hayi makafika ekamereni dololo mntwana. Dololo mntwana. Yes, there's no mntwana. Nje kumangela ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani sonke nje manje sesiyawandarisha ukuthi what is going to happen. Remember uVelephi uthatha lo mntana lo ngapha ukhwithe umsebenzi, so we don't know how she is going to support and maintain the child because she decided to quit her job, right? We know ukuthi uSipho might support, but uSipho is going to support on the conditions yokuthi umntana uhlala in a healthy environment according to them. Hayi sharp kube ubani kwendaba kaSibongile, umngani kaSibongile vele it's clear uze laphana ukuthi azothifa uSibongile, and uSibongile angeke azabona. uSibongile is going to blame everybody else except herself, right? Sharp sindlulile kuSibongile ukwenza ubatshela way to get off ubaba wakhe noVusi ukuthi nikhohlakele nenhliziyo ezimbi animqabangela umuntu nenicabangela ninodwa. Hey ngithi uyabatshela why abatshela kunama family members that Isibalikhulu Holdings is built on their land, but they are not benefiting anything, and uVusi does not give a, you know, uVusi does not care. And remember ukuthi vele ukwenzo by heart umfana right shem o kind nana who wants to see everybody win. So sisazobona ukuthi from there kwenzakalani ukuthi what's going to happen, you know. But ke njengoba bambhaqile uGeli uGuy aye an extra mile amufakele 100,000 rand ku trust fund athi izomanejwa huye, so that in an event where they get divorced she knows ukuthi she's got something. Guys, uVusi is going all out for uGqina, not knowing ukuthi uGqina ubusy nobhuti wakhe. When he finds out, I'm telling you, this is going to break him like into angazi in. While uSibalikhulu ke yena on the other hand is playing a happy marriage with uNomfundo. uNomfundo is the wife, kulalwa ngale noNomfundo. Yazini like everything nje uNomfundo uye manje sekamnike advice amtshela ukuthi ulungise izinto nokwenzo, akazingeni nje amtshela ukuthi angifuni akule nje. Sibalikhulu at this point hard headed, and he forgets ukuthi ukwenza akazange azenze ukuthi abe umntwana ka. That's first and foremost. Number two, Uwenzo is also digesting this situation as hard as he is digesting the situation, because this situation is new for him as well. But Uguy seems not to care. Like agazingeni.